How to enable or disable app icon badge notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down and click on notifications. After click on notification, click on this first option, app notifications. After click on app notification, scroll down and you will select any app from here. After select app, you will see app icon badges here. If you want to disable app icon badge, so click on app icon badge, you will see app icon badge is disabled. If you want to enable app icon badge, click on app icon badge, you will see app icon badge is enabled. You will enable or disable app icon badge from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable app icon badge notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.